Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Acura RDX all-wheel drive that we have for sale. We took this one on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade for new Infinitis. This RDX is no exception. Excellent condition inside and out. Local one owner clean Carfax. 28,678 miles. If you're in the market for a compact luxury crossover, the RDX is an excellent choice. You have a beautiful leather interior, power, and heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission. It is matched up to an awesome 3.5 liter V6. That's very powerful. This is a fun vehicle to drive. Multi-zone climate control, keyless ignition with push-button start, backup camera, automatic dimming mirror, nice leather up steering wheel paddle shifters. Really looks great in black on black. Very handsome design. Acura did a great job styling the RDX. Really cool headlights. Looks like it has LED headlights. And then you have a nice daytime LED running strip. Those things look like they should put out some pretty good light, so you have excellent nighttime visibility. Under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6. I think it's right around 290 horsepower. It's a fantastic engine using a lot of Acura and Honda products. Honda is Acura's parent company, so you get excellent reliability out of those engines. I've seen those variations of those V6s go past 200,000 miles running strong. With an all-wheel drive system, this will do great in the wet, slippery weather we have in the Pacific Northwest. And the RDX is the perfect size if you don't want a third row vehicle. It's kind of a great split between size and maneuverability. So if you live in an urban city environment, it's easy to park and get around. You can also see we have a power lift gate as well. Cargo area protector, so it has a elevated lip around it, so if you spill anything back there, it won't get into the carpeted part. It's a spare tire. Seats are easy to fold down. You have these grab handles right here. For even more cargo space, you just have to put that headrest down a little bit more for it to go down all the way. Lots of eye candy. Being a luxury brand, it's no surprise, but you have nice chrome strips, chrome accents all around the vehicle. It's been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. It's been detailed and ready for a new home. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.